Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube TV free trial step by step clearly. To activate your YouTube TV free trial, first, open your web browser. Type in the URL tv.youtube.com and press enter. If you are not already signed in, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your Google account email and password. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once signed in, you will see the YouTube TV homepage. Look for the free trial button prominently displayed on the screen. Click on the free trial button to begin the activation process. You will be taken to a page outlining the trial details. Review the information to understand what is included in the trial. To proceed, click on the Start Free Trial button. Next, you will need to enter your payment information. Provide your credit or debit card details in the required fields. Ensure the billing address matches the one linked to your payment method. After entering your payment information, click Next to continue. You may be asked to provide your zip code for regional channel availability. Enter your zip code and click Next. Now, you can select your preferred channels and add-ons. Review your selections and click Next to finalize. Confirm your details on the summary page before completing the process. Once you are satisfied, click on the Start Trial button. You will receive a confirmation of your trial activation. You are now ready to enjoy YouTube TV's content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.